Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do this cute and amazing hairstyle. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how I do this box braid with coily ends, a hairstyle you can do in your house by yourself. It's very easy. So this idea was from Dilias Empire, so we are doing a collaboration, okay, but not in this video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did the box braids. Okay, then in the next video I'm going to upload is going to be the main collaboration with Dilias Empire. Okay, so I'm going to leave her YouTube link down below for you guys to check her out. She does amazing DIYs. She's so great. So yeah, okay, if you want to know how I did this box braid with curly ends, just keep watching. I have a detailed video on how I do my box braids for crochet braids, so I'm going to leave the link down below, okay, for you guys to check it out. So basically I twisted once, then I separated 3 parts, because if it's a twist had 2 parts. I don't know if you get me. So yeah, I did 3 parts from there, dividing from each strand. So yeah, now I have 3. So keep braiding till you get to the point you're satisfied. You will take small amount of hair and tie it up 3 times. Okay, that's what I did. So basically that's what I did so far. Okay,
Flames on the beats.
here I'm going to show you guys how I cut the remaining hair. Okay, the leave out. What I used to cut this hair was Brazilian wool. You can also use thread, but I think thread was so tiny for me, so it was making things more complicated, so I decided to use Brazilian wool. I cut it in the length I think is appropriate for the leave out. Then what I did next was to secure it 4 times to 5 times before I started doing what you are watching right now. Okay,
Flames
then you go to the tip, then push the hair up, push it, push it, push it, push it till you reach where you cannot push no more. Oh my god. So yeah, then you tie it up 2 times, 3 times, as many times as you feel that the hair will be secure without unraveling. Need to be careful when you are tying up the ends, because at the beginning I was so frustrated because the thing wasn't turning out the way I wanted. But yeah, with practice you get perfect. Okay, my cuties, so yeah, I think I'm going to allow you guys to enjoy this video. Like normally when I finished everything, I put it on in hot water and yeah, blah 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 blah. So just keep watching to the end, okay?
Flames on the beats. Flames on the beats. Flames on the beats.
My cuties, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. I liked it. Okay, so thanks to Dilias Empire for showing me this style because it's so cute. So yeah, my cuties, stay tuned for the installation video, okay, because it's the boss. I'm talking to you right now, I have it on my head. So yeah, this is going to be an amazing hairstyle and mostly for this summer. Okay, so my cuties, stay tuned as I said, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Keep your comments down below and tell me what do you think. Okay, bye bye, love you guys.